Imagine building a YouTube channel that brings in $30,000 every single month without showing your face or investing a fortune to get started. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. By following a proven system, anyone can do it, including you. And in this video, I'll walk you through the basics of creating a profitable faceless YouTube channel.
And hey, stick around till the end, because I've got a special bonus waiting for you. This could be the extra edge you need to start building your channel today. You don't want to miss this.
The first step to a successful faceless YouTube channel is choosing the right niche. Think of this as the foundation of your entire channel. And here's the good news. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just need to find a niche that people are already interested in, keeps people coming back, solves a real problem, content that's always relevant. Ask yourself these three simple questions to narrow it down. What are you interested in? What are people always searching for? Where's there a content gap you can fill?
Here's an example. Instead of a broad niche like fitness, you could focus on something more specific, like beginner-friendly home workouts for seniors that's targeted, in demand, and easy to grow.
Still stuck? Free tools like Google Trends or keywords from VidIQ can help you pinpoint what's trending and what people want to see. These tools do the heavy lifting for you. After selecting your niche, the next step is planning the videos you'll create. A good video idea solves a problem or answers a question people are already asking. One easy trick? Search your niche on YouTube and scroll down to the related searches or look at what's ranking. Most of the time, their popularity will give you instant inspiration.
Pro tip? Pair your topic research with a tool like VidIQ to find subjects with high search volume and low competition. That's where the real gold is.
And remember, you don't need everything to be perfect right away. The goal is to start creating and improving as you go. Before we move on, let's talk about 3 common mistakes beginners make when starting a faceless YouTube channel so you can avoid them. Not knowing your audience. Some creators jump in without researching who they're making content for. If you don't know your audience, you're shooting in the dark. Instead, take time to understand what they're searching for and what problems they need solving. Overcomplicating the process. Don't worry about fancy equipment or perfect edits when you're starting out. A simple setup and clear, valuable content matter way more than flashy production. Giving up too soon. Many creators quit before they give their channel a chance to grow. Remember, YouTube rewards consistency. Your breakthrough might be in your 10th, 20th, or even 50th video, but it will happen if you keep going.
Sticking with it made all the difference for me, and trust me, it will for you too.
Before we jump into optimizing your videos for YouTube's algorithm, a quick question for you. Have you already signed up for TubeMagic or TubeMastery using our links? If you have, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Tell us what niche you picked and encourage others who might still be undecided.
Every comment could be the encouragement someone else needs to take their first step. And for our CashWaveHQ family on the fence, this is your time to shine. You've got everything you need to start today. Just take the leap.
The YouTube algorithm decides whether your videos get seen. But here's the secret. It loves clear, concise content that's built to attract the right audience. Start with your video's title. Make it specific and keyword-rich, like top 5 budget travel hacks that actually work.
And don't forget thumbnails. A bright, catchy thumbnail is your best friend. Tools like Canva make it easy to create a click-worthy design in minutes. Cut away to an annotated checklist of optimization tips. Use specific titles, create eye-catching thumbnails, add targeted keywords in tags. Write an engaging description.
Finally, keep posting consistently, analyze what works, and adjust your strategy as you grow.
So here's the deal. You know how to find a profitable niche, research topics, and optimize for algorithm success. But none of that matters if you don't take action. Trust me, you don't need to have it all figured out. Consistency and the right tools are all you need to succeed. The Creator Toolkit includes the exact programs I use to start my success. It's everything I wish I had when I was beginning, and now it's yours. And if you use the links in the description to sign up for TubeMastery, you'll get extra training, shortcuts to get started faster, and exclusive perks not available anywhere else. Don't wait too long though. This offer won't last forever. In the next video, I'll reveal my exact formula for creating viral content without showing my face. This is where growth gets real. Don't miss it.
Click the link below to grab your toolkit and start building your YouTube success story today.